Thank you for clicking on my first ever YouTube video. My name is Sachoney. I am from Jamaica, but I currently live in Japan. So today I'm gonna be doing like a try-on haul for you guys. I have never experienced winter before because I'm from Jamaica and it's pretty much sunny all year round. So I purchased these items from Aliexpress, so I want to get you guys opinions on the clothing that I picked out. Like, do you like them? Yeah, I just want your feedback. Okay, so this is the very first item that I'm gonna show you guys. So this is a sweater. This I paid $8.48, I think I paid for this. It's very thick. I love it. The only thing I didn't like is that they had like a thread. Yeah, so that's the only thing, and that's the least. So $8.40 something for this from the same company. I purchased this. This is wine red. So I purchased this, and I also ordered a black one to it. I ordered the black one, and this is what they sent. A damn skirt. Yeah, and look how long it is. So I told them that they sent me the wrong order and they're going to refund me. But anyways, I think I'm going to probably, when they refund me my money, I'm going to order the black one because this I love this. Yeah, so I love it. So yeah, this is well worth it. All right, so let's go to the second item. Well, third one, because this is also from Aliexpress, even though they sent to me the wrong item. So this is for $10 and something. This is, I like it. I like the quality of it. But I think I prefer the wine red one over this because I'm always cold, so I need something that's very thick, and I think the wine red one is much better in terms of like being thick and all of that. So I actually love this one as well. So yeah, so this is the second item. This is green and I like it. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I have this thing on my head because my lace frontal, it's shedding like crazy. So I ordered a frontal, which I have to repair by myself since I don't know any hairdresser or anybody here. So I have to go do it. I have to go learn how to do it myself. Anyway, so enough about that. So that's why I have this on so it doesn't look too awful. But yeah, this is my second item. I've worn this multiple times since I've gotten it because like people, it gets very cold here, like 6 degrees. I'm from Jamaica where I'm used to like 25 degrees every day, so it's always hot. I'm not used to no cold weather, so I wear this like when I'm going to work. I don't remember how much I got it for, but I'll share it here, the price here, or here. No, I'll share it here. Anyway, so I think next time, because all the sizes here are either small or extra small because I am very petite. I'm like 5'1", 5'2". I'm 110 pounds, so I'm very small. But I still wear it because, like, you know, I like it. Anyways, so it's okay. Like when I wear it, I'm not that cold. Anyway, so let me show you the bottom. So I purchased these tights. I don't remember how much I purchased them for. Again, I'll show you the price of this. So I wear this under my skirts, under my jeans, under my work pants because again, it gets extremely, it gets extremely cold here. So I purchased these. I love them. Let me show you them again. I love them, and I think I'm gonna order a lot more. Like, I I also purchased these. This is like a stocking. Like I thought that I would have gotten like some paddings like this one, but I didn't get anything. This looks like a simple thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear it, like I'm gonna try. I haven't worn it as it. I'm going to try it under my pants and see if it helps at all. Also bought this belt because I need a very small belt. Yeah. By the way, I'm a shopaholic, so I'm always buying stuff like because these things are so cheap. It's like I can't control myself, but yeah. Next item, scarf. All right, finally. Okay, look at it. So some days it's hot, another day it's extremely cold, so I can't keep up with this weather. Anyways, I purchased this time. And I also purchased gloves. I know you guys are probably wondering, like, why the heck would I purchase something with these colors? But guess what? So when I'm on the road, I don't have to take this off every minute to use my phone, because these things, they allow me to touch my phone without taking off my gloves. So that's the only reason why I purchased this, because like I don't like this, but when I'm very cold, I don't want to be taking off my gloves and then my fingers get extremely cold and all of that. Okay, my next item is this dress. So I actually like it, but it's very thin. Yeah, so I love this dress. I've actually worn it already. I went to the club and I wore it. So go check out my Instagram if you want to see how I styled this outfit. So I purchased this, and I think it's very thin, so I think that if I'm gonna wear it, it's gonna be on a day that it's not that cold. But yeah, this is like a work cardigan. It's black, thin, but I like it. So this is my next item. So it's also a cardigan, pretty much I purchased this and the black one from the same company. This is gray. Again, it's very thin, so if I'm gonna wear it, I'll probably have to wear like one of the coats over it, and then when I reach to work, then I change, then I take it off or whatever. Anyways, so I like it. I love cardigans, by the way, because in Jamaica it's always hot, so you don't wear any thicker jacket. You wear cardigans that's not too, should I say, that doesn't have like a thick material, because you don't want to be hot when you're traveling to work and all of that. Ooh. Okay, so silly me, I actually washed this, and I had the tag on it. The tag on it. So when I washed it in the machine, it actually, the tag got washed with it, and then now the tag is all over. So annoying. But I haven't worn it as yet. Okay, so the only thing that I don't like with this is because I didn't notice that it had all of these crappy stuff on it. Like, I don't even know what this is saying. Anyways, and it also has this Disney thingy. It came with this fur. But yeah, because it has these things, I'm gonna give it like an 80, because I don't know what the heck these are. Why would you put these on a coat? Like, so this is my final top that I will be showing you guys. Okay, so it has like this padding under it, so I'm guessing it will keep me warm when I'm on the road. But there was like a tear, I think somewhere, like a very small tear on it. I can't find it. I love it. It's like a simple, simple little top. So if I want to run some errands, yeah, so I would wear it. And I also purchased these jeans. It says American Apparel. It's like a high waist jeans. Let me show you guys. Yeah, So okay, so that concludes my very first ever YouTube video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. It means a lot to me. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up because it's my very first video, and yeah. So like, comment, subscribe, follow my social media pages. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for watching my entire video. Like, this means a whole lot to me. Anyways, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.